Exploring the chill, understanding a cold wind blowing. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the picturesque realm of English phrases, focusing on a cold wind blowing. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and by unpacking it, we'll uncover not just its literal significance but also its metaphorical layers. So, whether you're learning English or just love exploring its depths, stay tuned as we unravel this fascinating phrase. At its core, a cold wind blowing directly describes a natural phenomenon. It paints a vivid picture of a chilly breeze moving through an area, bringing with it a drop in temperature and often, a crispness to the air that you can feel on your skin. This phrase is commonly used in weather forecasts or descriptions of a scene, evoking a sensory experience that's almost universal. It's important to appreciate the imagery here, as it sets the stage for deeper interpretations. Moving beyond the literal, a cold wind blowing can also carry significant metaphorical weight. In literature and everyday speech, a cold wind often symbolizes change or discomfort. It might indicate a shift in circumstances, suggesting that something less pleasant or more challenging is on the horizon. For instance, in a story, if a character says they feel a cold wind blowing, it might mean they sense trouble or a difficult period approaching in their life. Understanding when and how to use a cold wind blowing can enrich your English communication, especially in creative writing or spoken narratives. It's a fantastic tool for setting a mood or foreshadowing events. However, it's also crucial to consider the context and audience. This phrase best suits situations or genres where imagery and depth add value, such as storytelling, descriptive essays, or poetic expressions. While the phrase, a cold wind blowing, might seem straightforward, its interpretation can vary across cultures and historical periods. In some traditions, wind carries specific symbolic meanings, from renewal to misfortune. Exploring these cultural nuances can enhance your understanding of English literature and folklore, where natural elements often play symbolic roles. A cold wind blowing is more than just a meteorological description. It's a gateway to a rich landscape of language, allowing us to express and evoke a broad spectrum of emotions and ideas. Whether you're crafting a story, describing a moment, or exploring the layers of English, remember the power of such vivid phrases. We hope this video has warmed your understanding and curiosity, even as we've discussed the chill of a cold wind. Keep exploring, and let the winds of language guide your journey.